It's time for another gardening update. Hey guys, I'm back out here again doing some repotting and refreshing soil, etc. This is my garlic chive plant and it is a doozy. It is, I think I'm gonna split this plant because this plant is more than one. I don't know, but I don't know. I want to. Let me see, I do got another pot. So I might do that and make 2 garlic chive plants. I'm about to put some new soil in here. Hang tight, I'll be back. Okay, I did, 3 plants today. I separated the garlic chive. I did the jalapeno. I did the serrano over there. I already did the sage. And the other garlic chive is there. I'm gonna do the oregano and the parsley, and let me see, I'll probably do the tarragon. I can refresh the soil in this sweet summer savory too, so I'm gonna do all that coming up. Look at the cherry tomatoes still producing. Look, I'm supposed to be, main thing is changing the soil on these collard greens. Look, they grew back. I need to change the soil and put the little netting over them. Tomorrow, I'll be back tomorrow and share that with you guys. I'll prep and prepare and do the maintenance with the collard greens. That's it, that's all. Thanks for watching. Happy gardening. Bye. I'll see you on the next one.